sa damdamin. Isa ang ating pangarap, makulay na mundo, maging lalong makulay. Ang buhay laging makulay, kung maganda ng tunay. Kumikinang, tumitingkad, tumilinaw, sumisikat ang puso, anumang kulay ng buhay. Noon at ngayon, pamilyang Pilipino lang kasing saya. Okay, sarap na darama, samahan at halakakan. Okay, tamis, sumisidhi, pusong nagmamahalan. Kaisa tayo sa isip, kaisa tayo sa damdamin. Isa ang ating pangarap, makulay na mundo, maging lalong makulay. Sa GMA makulay, sa GMA ang buhay. Kumikinang, tumitingkad, lumilinaw, sumisikat sa puso, anumang kulay ng
This is GMA DZWB Channel 7, a commercial TV station with 100,000 watt transmitting power, authorized under temporary license number BSD 015 2000. Issued by the National Telecommunications Commission, valid until December 31, 2003. GMA studios are located at the GMA Complex, EDSA, corner Timog Avenue, Iliman, Quezon City, Republic of the Philippines. The GMA transmitter station is located at Barangay Culiat, Tandansora, Quezon City. GMA Engineering is headed by Engineer. GMA transmission crew is composed of electronics and communications engineers and first-class radio operators with license number issued by the Professional Regulations Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Tomas Sales, ECE number 3010. Erwin Timbre, ECE number 3650. Riniel de la Cruz, ECE number 15741. Ruel D. Castro, 941 PNCR 12224. Renato Gonzalez, 941 PNCR 10804. Almario Lonto, 961 PNCR 16684. Rafael A. Racelis, 941 PNCR 11977. Remigio Apostol, 931 PNCR 5564. Alan Mangubal, 971 PXI 20349. Chito Narboada, 951 PVII 13315. All programs telecast on this station have been approved by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board. Seen via satellite in over 43 stations nationwide. Luzon, GMA7 Manila, TV7 Batanes, TV13 Aparig, TV5 Ilocos Norte, TV7 Tuguegarao, TV7 Abra, TV7 Quirino, TV5 Bayambong, TV10 Benguet, TV5 Baler, TV10 Olongapo, TV12 Batangas, TV7 Naga, TV12 Legazpi, TV7 Romblon, TV7 Masbate, TV13 Catanduanes, TV12 Puerto Princesa Palawan, Visayas, TV5 Calbayog, TV8 Corona, TV10 Tacloban, TV2 Calibo, TV5 Rojas, TV6 Iloilo, TV7 Cebu, TV11 Bohol, TV5 Dumaguete, Mindanao, TV10 Surigao, TV11 Iligan, TV4 Dipolo, TV5 Ozanes, TV12 Kitanlan, TV3 Pagadian, TV5 Davao, TV12 Cotabato, TV8 General Santos, TV9 Zamboanga, TV12 Colon. This is GMA, the Philippines' largest network, now signing off.